Good morning, boys and girls, moms and dads. This is first grade, session 5. Okay, this section is I am loved. And you can draw a picture on the penguin of your dad or someone else who takes care of you. Then write a little bit, maybe with your help from mom and dad, about how is this person special. Okay, next I'm going to tell you the story of the prodigal son, where you color this picture of the father and the prodigal son. So there was one day that the prodigal son, the youngest son in the family, said to his father, I want to have all of my inheritance now, which means all the things that the father owns that would be one day going to him when his father died. And that's basically telling his dad, I don't care about you. I wish that I had those things now. I wish that you were dead so I could have all your stuff. And the father gave those things to the son, and the son then went away and he wasted all his money doing bad things, and his money was all gone, and he was ashamed and embarrassed from all of his sins, from all of his wastefulness, all of his bad living. And he also, since he had no money, he was very poor and he had nothing to eat, and so he went to the worst place that was the last thing he could get, and that was to feed the pigs. And he ate, well, he wanted to eat what the pigs ate because he was so hungry. And then he came to remember how in his father's house there were servants who were better fed than he was. So he thought, well, I'm no longer worthy to be called the son, but I can come back maybe to my house. My father will let me be a servant and he'll feed me at least. And so he went back, but his father was watching for him to come back. And he didn't wait for his son to get home. He came out of the house and ran to his son. And this is what the picture is here. He hugged his son and put a cloak on him, sandals on his feet, and a ring of authority on his finger. He forgave him lovingly and joyfully and welcomed him home, and they had a great feast where they killed the fattened calf, had a great feast with all the friends as well. Welcomed him home as his son. He wouldn't let him be a servant, he welcomed him as his son. Okay, then you can answer these questions about that story here. And then we'll hear the story of the lost sheep. You can read this or have this read to you. Okay, about the 100 sheep and the good shepherd. Okay, and then you can draw a picture of each part of the story of the good shepherd, and answering these questions along with that. So draw the picture here, write the answer there, and that is the end for this week. Thank you, and God bless you, and have a beautiful week.